Right, so very quick video. I just wanted to show you how the internals of the black cat rat trap works. I thought this would be pretty simple. So all I've done is, on the underneath of this is, when you look, there's 4 screws. And I've undone the 4 screws, and when you do that, this top bit comes off, and then you can see the mechanism. And what I've also done, just for safety's sake, is I've just disconnected the spring, just for now. So like I said, this one is your trigger. It's got a little slight spring, just to give it a bit of tension, but just there, it's a slight notch. Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see it. Slight notch. Just there. So you place your bait underneath, your bar comes up, engages that, see that moving there? And then this one now is engaged in there, and up the top here you've got, it's kind of like a fork there with this top bit in there as well, if you can see that. And then when this is lifted, it's gonna, this will go up, it will disengage that, and then down will come the kill bar. So on the other side of that, there's nothing actually on there. When you've undone the screws, the reason I disconnected it is because this bit isn't actually connected now at all. It should be right because it's underneath the spring, but I just didn't want to risk it. So yeah, so here, and then that's being held back there, you see it? Once that is lifted, it's a relatively simple trap really. Not sure if the pieces are, actually they look, no I don't know, they're riveted, but if any of these bits maybe wore out, I think you undo that spring, that would come off, undo that spring, that would come off, so these bits would be replaceable. Managed to go past it there. Yeah, so pretty simple. Thought I'd show you that. Somewhat worth seeing. Really simple trigger. So that's how the inside or the mechanism of the black cat rat trap actually works. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.